Here are two quick ways to get variables and secrets into your Terraform projects using CloudTruth. We've created a Terraform project and added our Terraform variables that will be used to deploy an EC2 instance. There are no tfvars files in our directory, and we'll use the CloudTruth run command to call the Terraform project as well as our production environment and pass that to Terraform plan. You can see that even without a tfvars file, we get our values from our specific project and environment passed directly to the Terraform plan command. The second way is using a CloudTruth template. We can create a CloudTruth template, set up as a tfvars file, and pull those values from any environment that may contain those changes for your projects. Again, using the CloudTruth CLI command, we can get that template and directly create a tfvars file for whichever environment you might be targeting.